To me,
saka conclusion yapera kuti it's a white man.
Mparinga uzamanyira ukoko.
Color does not matter.
Uzamanyira ukoko Mparinga.
We worship in spirit.
Mira ukamanyira ukoko you be poor for a very long time.
No.
I'm telling you.
No.
Pastor Plank says
Jesus did not die. Jesus did not die for anyone. He died for his criminal activities within the Roman Empire. He was a politician. Ndigeza wakafira nyaya dzake dzepolitics.
Isu tinotenda we are okay na Jesu wedu nekufirwa kwedu takazvigamuchira vasingatende nemafacts awo ese hativajoin. I've been to Israel ndakawitness kuti vanhu ikoko havasitombori maKristu.
Munopengesewa nezvo vasingadi kuona.
Hatisi kupengesewa zviri kutotiitira. Ndezvekutenda nyaya dzekutenda dziri very powerful.
Let's hear Mparinga.
That out of para shamari. No, I think you are running away from the real issue.
Okay, let's have Mparinga first. Maybe Mparinga anogona.
Yeah, no, to me, Christianity is not a white man's religion. Why? Because I'm sure they abused the Bible for their gains.
Sure.
By time of colonization.
Yes.
Yet the book arinene zvavakaita, but the Bible really danger pakudai. Unorinzwa sezvauri, unorinzwa sezvaunoda, unorinzwa sezvawakadzidziswa. But nyaya kunamata Mwari, we worship in spirit and in truth. You can have facts theologically correct zvese, the truth wanayo, danger and the spirit. So the spirit will corrupt your understanding chaiyo uku. So your understanding ya led ne the spirit ya winayo than the knowledge yakuti ukariverenga, because zvokuverenga unogona kudzidza wakaverenga. But when you lack the spirit of God, your understanding I see deeper, because the Bible to me is a spirit word. It's the breath of God, it's the spirit word. So the white man abused the Bible, he abused the Bible, akabudira zvaakaita. So ukaenda kunyika dzevarungu, they still preach using the same Bible. Vari kucolonizana here, vari kuabusana here, kuti vane imwe understanding footballs. Kana vakaenda kuAfrica to colonize and abuse people, why are they preaching using Bible in America today? Why are they using Bible in UK today? Why are they using Bible in Australia today? Are they colonizing each other there? No. They've got the right understanding now.
That the history of the Bible itself does not originate in Europe. Let me help you in your argument. So that you can make it better for you. Before you think I'm fighting you.
No, we are
the history of the text is not a European text. You're dealing with Ethiopia. You're dealing with Egypt,
Sudan.
You're dealing with Sudan, even the Great Zimbabwe. The mines, the King Solomon's mines, and stuff like that. The Sheba,
Ethiopia.
So stuff like that.
Yes.
But when they take the Ethiopian script, which was an extrapolation from the Egyptian manuscripts on the walls, and then they into the Ethiopian text, and the Egyptian one is called the Book of the Dead or the Book of Life. That's where it starts. It's still written now on the walls of Egypt. Then it moves from there to the Ethiopian script. From the Ethiopian script, by the way, which has more than 88 books plus, to the Catholic Church. The Catholic Church then adulterates it and reduces it into pieces, send it into Europe, and then we have the King James Version, excluding of course the Vulgates and other translations
and other books.
And then by the time we are receiving Christianity in Africa in the year 1900s, at the collapse of the European economy, when the stars fell, the sun went black and everything else, and people said Jesus is coming again. That was the beginning of the London Missionary Society, 1903, as we were coming here. How convenient that the explorers were in front, the missionaries were at the back, and then the economists and the mercenaries were following to conclude the whole strategy of colonialism. So that Christianity was actually hand in glove with the colonial structures that came to oppress the African people. Otherwise, why would you tell Africans to change their names? Mnyaradzi means comforter. No, Mnyaradzi is not Christian. You must be called John. And then you say that's not colonialism. How do you not see something that is written?
They abused the book.
So it's a white man's religion. Because if they were practicing the Christian religion as it is, they should have loved their neighbors. Now you are talking to me. They would have loved their neighbors as they loved themselves. But they never loved us. So when the title says this religion is a white man's religion, as we practice right now, you can only meet the standards of Christianity when you look like this.
No,
you are in order with the white man.
So just in case you don't know what he means.
I am the one. I'm advocating for the change. The danger of us side-tracking and forgiving the white man for bringing his culture into Christianity. Halloween nights. You end up doing Easters. You end up doing Christmas parties, having bunny cakes. You end up carrying crosses and worshipping a bucket of cement and a small little tin of paint. Because when you allow the one who is carrying the message to impose their culture onto the message, you may think that you are practicing Christianity and you start breaking the very commandment. Thou shalt not make yourself any graven image. Walk up in any church today, Roman Catholic, and tell me you have no images there. Thou shalt not call the name of the Lord your God in vain. You end up breaking, because the white man does not know this God that he is carrying. But the African has accepted the distorted version of the Christian message. And now they want to proclaim it as if this is the thus says the Lord. When in fact God is not even in this concept altogether of what we call Christianity today. Here we are ripping people of money, sending into our private churches in America. Our church, Adventist church, the one is in America. These ones are in Rome. The other ones are in Europe. The other ones in Germany, and etc. And you're stealing from the people in the name of God.
So Twitter say now I can see that there's Twitter say how can this situation be solved? Studio, there's a problem that has just been brought to the fore. How can it be solved?
Yeah, as I was saying, Kuti, you need the right spirit. The Bible is a spirit. Yeah,
no spirit.
Yes. Yeah. Because it's a spirit word. Anyone can. The Bible is the most abused book in the world, because you can practice what you think that's what it means. Yet the real understanding must be led by the spirit, not by intelligence or by being.
You are running by intelligence. What terms of this?
No.
Intelligence.
In worshiping God, you surrender to the mind of God. Not your intelligence.
What kind of Psalms worship God with understanding? Kwa muti mkuta mwari baba mwari mwe mchene na mwari mudzimu noera ndokumbira mbokubata muromo pandoda kugofa pakanaka chose ndoda kuti tione kuti at the arrival of Christianity, what sort of societal transformation did we see? Did we see Africans becoming better? Did we see them abandoning their culture? Did we see them loving their culture? And when you take the same Bible and you walk up to other cultures, how has the Bible enhanced their lifestyles? And now when you walk up to an African child who no longer knows their history, can we refuse that actually Christianity has contributed meaningfully, destructively, to the abandonment of the African of his own culture?
For example, chinonzi msengabere unomsengabere makambonzwa
ngukutora mkazi sopa akakutoini
abuse abuse paitoda Bible kudzikamisa
aungosenga munhu ana 40 years vasina kurogwa vanotoda munhu umusengabere izvo nguva yaundisenge ndindi
mandibosumudza mafoni 0772162651 0714414413 tinachangamire mustudio nhasi ivi ndimi maifona nguva yacho yasvika yekuti titese tivavhunze mubvunzo maitondoti tine munhu pafoni herapo. Good evening, through to Star FM. Who am I talking to? That's good. Ndutaona.
No rest.
No rest. Chamchangamira wako vauya nhasi ka.
Ndafara.
Wafara zvingaiteka.
Ndachemani yenguva but vachinayo nguva.
Nguva ndatawapa 30 minutes. Nguva iripo.
Nguva iripo. Alright. Ndanganditi ndapinda munyaya yangu ndambotanga ndabvunza vangu mafundisi vangu naevangelisi varimo.
Okay.
Kuti pasina Bible, kunzi Bible tarivhara tarisa pasaidi, havakwanisi here kuparidza shoko. Vakandindira ndakonjini.
Hanzi pasina Bible, shoko roparidzike. Yes or no?
Bible ndo shoko racho.
That's right. No rest. Continue. Hanzi pasina Bible shoko raparidzike.
Ayo.
Tiswa namukanya. Pakutanga shoko.
Bible ringi taanaresu. Taanaro Bible. Mwari haana chimwe chaanokwanisa kuti udzadzise Bible. Hatisina chekuti kongwedzo tingara kuti munhu anokwanisa kutofamba ari muna Mwari pasina Bible. And also, are they saying kuti kana vachiziva kuti Bible rakabvira here nokuti rakauya nevarume, saka isusu takuritambira here zvakafanira kutambira keke rawakuziva kuti rabikwa nemunhu akaipa nemwoyo wakaipa, wodya woti aiwa siuri kunaka. Are you certain kuti keke iro harisi poisonous to us? because isisi tikubvumirana kuti aiwa zvichiwa bible rakamanipulate kwaiwa bible rakadai so is it this still the same bible racho rava kuti shoko raMwari iro rakauya nemunhu akaita.
Alright, thank you for that. No rest mati wavhunzi varimo muno mazvinzwa no rest zvaari kutaura izvo hanzi kana muri kuaccepta kuti bible rakamanipulate zvinotodya here poisonous
right Mr. Tago bible harina kumanipulatwa mazvibata but
mamboita unge mabvumirana nachangamira
sweeping statement you are going to drown because hakuna verse inoti kwai servants obey your masters because the question is who is the master and who is the servant, who is the slave.
All right,
basi ukavona kuti King James vachirega mavhesi akadai achipinda vanga was a king and this was for management purposes. So we cannot refuse. Mufundisi kana masuka mumba manero, I want you to go on your phone and just research how many verses were removed from the Bible. Irori na akazowedzekwa asi muri kuramba kuti it's not manipulated. Akawedzekwa acho akawedzekwa who added these ones and which ones were subtracted, and now we go on when you go on the quotations of extra biblical material, the quotation of the book of Samuel, for example, the quotation of the book of Enoch, etc. More than 36 books are extra biblical materials that are excluded in the Bible, yet the Bible uses them as it is quoting its scripture. And now Christianity does not even want us to read those books which form the basis of which the Bible is quoting from. I don't know which part of this can be more confusing. That you quote, you say the Bible is holy, but the Bible is quoting unholy scriptures. And then how can the holy be including the unholy and still maintain its holiness?
That's why the Bible is a spirit word. You worship in spirit and in truth. So the spiritual side tika ignore, tika tamani theology, tinogona kukundana.
Yokuro kana masters, iyo anti spirit. Ipapa anti spirit. Kuti munhu akandorova nembama ndoti pinza mwe.
Long back ku Israel maita wane culture yekuti mwana waitora munhu achitowa muranda vachivashandira. Saka uranda yakangotanga mu system ye Bible yacho Jewish culture. I think since we have been given time, I would like us to extend ourselves also into this remnant theology hogwash, where one nation, which is only the family of Judah and the family of Benjamin, claims to be the Jews, excluding the other 11. And I say 11 including Diana, who is always not counted, as Jacob had 12 sons, but we forget he had 13, including Diana, the sister. And now we find that the whole theology circles around the two people who have now called themselves the chosen. They are abusing and ravishing everybody else because they are the chosen people of God. And they are not even chosen. These are Ashkenazis who moved from Turkey to Eastern Europe and now are coming back as Jews. And the real Jews are blacks. And when we sit around such theology that idolizes and pontificates the mischief of, and by the way, becoming a Christian makes you a Zionist indirectly. Right. Because already when you hear that I am the God of Israel, when Israel misbehaves, you can't fight Israel because you've already accepted Israel. So Christianity is the breeding ground of Zionism.
Okay.
Tichidzoka kumashure mbichana panyaya yenyamutoro yamurikutaura ndikuti izvoni panga pachitsanangurwa nachangamire kunzi Simon of the Cyrene paakanzi ibhaibheri rakadaro rakati akanzi izvoni takura batsira hama yako. Hama vaireva kuti hama pakuita sei. It's not by color here yekuti Simon of the Cyrene was a black man. So Jesus was also a black man.
All right, let me bring it back Maitabasa Mati Dzorere studio vafundisi hanzi zvonipa zvainzi batsira hama yako zviri kuedza kunzi chii. Okay, Changamire, if you want to go first
very quickly.
Yeah,
it was the Roman law that you don't crucify a Roman, you don't crucify a white person, you only crucify other nations. You hear those in the arguments of Paul when he's being taken to Rome, that I'm a Roman, you can't even smack me, you can't even beat me, I must argue my case before Caesar. So it's most unlikely that they would have crucified another white man in Judea had he been white, because whiteness, the Bible is clear that these were the Romans. Then the Romans are actually the present Italians, and which is the basis of the Roman Dutch law, which broke from Calasandras, Lasmacus, and Ptolemy to form Europe. The 12 or 8 other tribes that are found in Europe today, the Sueves, the Alemanes, the Visigoths, the Ostrogoths, the Anglo-Saxons, and everybody else, breaking from the Roman Empire. So the Romans, Romanism, they were barbarians. living in Europe in the Caucasus Mountains. They are not even there in the scriptures at all. Don't even include them. They only appear as Romans to crucify a black man on the cross. And this is where sometimes I get discouraged, that you come around with a historical fact. Question number one: is it possible that actually the white people were slaves in Egypt during the times of Moses? Are we saying that Moses was a white man? Are we saying that Abraham was a white man? When Abraham came from Ur of the Chaldees, Ur of the Chaldees, a city which was built by Nimrod. Nimrod, who is the son of Ham. Ham is the son of Cush. Good. Cush was a black man. Good. Now, how do you come around and you whitewash the Bible in the New Testament and say David is white, Solomon is white, Jesus then becomes white, Boaz becomes white? You can't have a problem there with the white Jesus, because you've messed up one interpretation or misinterpretation of a biblical story that is true. And then you mess up the whole thing. The white man came to colonize and destroy African culture.
Nimrod was a black man. The man who brought civilization in the world was a black man.
But that whole theology falls short. Because once you take the Hamite theology,
yes,
that makes Nimrod black,
yes,
and Ham,
yes,
that makes Shem white, that makes Japheth Indian. Now when you have those three, no one wants to talk. So what tribe was Noah and what color was Noah?
Right.
Now when you go back there, you need to go back to your science and laboratory and find out which tribe or which color can produce three colors in one. And you cannot run around with the Shemite religion or the Hamite theology or the Japhite theology without explaining the Noahic genealogy.
Right.
Because once we find in the laboratory only a black person can produce, and if a black person produces all three are blacks. So the white man is not even in the Bible. Don't include him.
Iti nyaya yapera. Right. Urumva iti. Right. Nyaya yapera.
Saka conclusion yapera kuti it's a white man.
Mparinga uzamanyira ukoko.
Color does not matter.
Uzamanyira ukoko Mparinga.
We worship in spirit.
Mira ungamanyira ukoko, you be poor for a very long time.
No.
I'm telling you.
No.
Pastor Planks has rested his case, but Evangelist Mparinga is still here.
Color does not matter. It's better to whether black or white. Azna basa. We worship in spirit and truth.
Kunani.
To me,
Metibopa Evangelist Mparinga Mukana, because I think what the point here in spirit and in truth.
Yes.
Expand it.
Yeah, to me, color, because I know people from Middle East have a svarungu. But kuno kwa Africa tine challenge kuti muchaina murungu kwatiri. Munaka ngotsvuka murungu. Because murungu atukutaura isusuka kutsvuka. Yetu vano ku Middle East vanenge makaradi. Havasi varungu as varungu. But to me, color haisi nyaya.
Ngatimbozokera ku subject matter
yatati color isinyaya
ngatidzokere kunyaya yati white man's religion. White man's religion nokuti inouya ichiimba chirungu, inouya yakapfeka chirungu, inouya ichiparidza kuchengetedzwa kwemahabits namacultures namaholidays echirungu. Inouya ichifunganidza mari kuvanhu vatema ichidzosera kuvarungu. Inouya yakatova focus yayo kuti it is not there to develop the African to become African, but to prepare the African to participate in an economy that has been brought by the colonizers. And I don't know which part of that can be more confusing. When you say Christianity as we practice it now is not an African-based faith, it is a Eurocentric based faith.
Ndikuona Pastor Planks muri kubvumirana nazvo, it's a Euro based vambotaura tanzi makatorovawo nesutu nyangwe nemiwa.
Aiwa, even ivo vochangamirawa 3 weeks ago ungari mundege baba akagadzwa nemurungu saka takatofanana vochangamira. Even Mike arushandisa ndechirungu. Even damona tekera vakatenga rakapfeka ndere chirungu.
Ndakapuwa DJ Sbu.
Saka nderei
ndokupuwa
makapfekwa
if you want us to go there, then I'll take you to the writings of Egypt and show you that aeroplanes and clothes and technology does not come with white people. Jesus did not die. Jesus did not die for anyone. He died for his criminal activities within the Roman Empire.
Aiwa ipapo Changamire makutanga iwe.
He was a politician.
Changamire.
Ndigeza wakafira nyaya dzake dzepolitics.
Aiwa.
Isusu we must learn from him when we are being victimized by the system.
For everyone.
No, just a minute. Listen to the concept. If you misbehave in a political system and politics and religion gather together, they will kill you. People are ready to die for Jesus. Miracle, people are ready to die for Jesus, but they're not ready to live for him. Now when you are throwing me to the wall, I'll keep quiet. Religion. Our tolerance of persecution is based on the crucifixion of Christ. That if Christ was crucified, then we also must be crucified.
Now
so that we can become
saved. If you don't believe it, side kwako ningotori correct. Isu tinotenda we are okay na Jesu wedu nekufirwa kwedu takazvigamuchira vasingatende nemafacts awo ese hativajoini. Yeah, I've been to Israel. Ndaitaura na tour guide watati naye. He is not a Christian. Then I was wondering, kuno kwacho kuomukwawo, you know,
I don't believe him like this.
Yeah, I've been to Israel. Ndaka witness kuti vanhu ikoko havasitombori makristu. Hatisi kupengesewa zviri kutotiitira. Ndezvekutenda, nyaya dzekutenda dziri very powerful. Because zvinotendwa navamaponga zvinotendwa neni. Tinoona kustandara tese kuzodii, but zvandotenda havandibvise, zvavanotenda handivabvise. So we live like that. Because hapana panichaconvince wamaponga manhero anaya tikazowabata musoro panze apo.
But we want to give some answers to the greater population which is outside of this room. Because these are the questions that they have.
Right. Chinhu ndechefaith, kudarika intelligence nezvimwe zvaungaite. You need the Spirit of God to help you understand the things of the Spirit.
So Buruti Changamire, vari kuleka that spirit to help him to understand.
No, atina kudaro iti. Tiri kuti pa
iriganditi yes, because vanenge vari kusaidire chivanhu naye.
Saka chivanhu hakuna mwera niti.
Apa ya Christianity manje kuchivanhu hakuna Christianity.
Saka Christianity yacho ndeyechikharangava ndeyechirungu. Kana yasiya isu pashe, if this Christianity excludes our culture,
an
Indian person is not expected to throw away their practices. A white man does not change their culture. It's only a black man who must abandon everything that he has to become a Christian. What for what? Madihali, my Indian, Maduari yavo, wakafika mpura yavo, wajua kusawada kwa tunupinda yesu. Suma pathfinder, sunotupeka mkofu, suma India via, sujita ma pathfinder. There's no problem. But come to Africa, you must abandon everything.
Oshoturukuridza, mukata ZC, jive, kundambura zemurungu, atambu ZC. Maya wakwanirwa favor, kunovaka makuwa emadzibaba. Chiripo chete chekuti tikava spiritual kuti we are connecting nekuti kumidzimu. That's what the difference is. But kutoenda unoita tombstone unveiling Christianity zviriko. Nehemia wakatowanirwa favor naMwari ari pamberi pamambo zanzuri kupunyareka kuti makuva emadzibaba angu akaparadzwa. Akawanirwa favor akatogadzira makuva.
Let me be very.
But kunamata vakafa ndo pane challenge. Kugadzira guva rababa wakafa, that's good.
Let me be very frank with you. We are not wasting time, gentlemen. Even the statement that you've just said liberates other people. You being a professional person, you have grown up to understand that.
Yes.
You find no problem with that.
No problem.
But if you go to the greater population right now and I put 1,000 people here, you will shock more than 90% of them with what you have just said. Because I know people who will not even go and bury their relative because it's on Sabbath. Mira. Okay. I know people who will not even go to prepare and help a family go to clean up those graves. Because once you mention we are going to go to the grave and do whatever, 80 to 90% of Christianity does not want to get involved even in that.
Maybe
hence I'm saying what we are doing right now, we are working. We are helping this white man's religion to begin to deconstruct it and decolonize it and be able to give tolerance to African culture. Because even Abraham, if he built a grave for his own wife in Machpelah, and he buried his wife there, and he was buried in there, and there's a history that is there. If a man like Joseph of Arimathea could have a grave where he could borrow the grave to Jesus, these are organized people, more organized than Jesus. And then we had a grave ahead of schedule.
Maybe the challenge here is also ndataura kuti Bible unorinzwa selevel yako yematurity, unorinzwa sekudzidziswa kwako kwakaitwa, unorinzwa sezvauri uye unogona kurinzwa samweya achidudzira mauri. Saka muona machechi akawanda emakristu acho, hatina one church. Why? Understanding dzedu dzinoita differ. vamwe vanototi taakuziva izvi because each and every day we grow by learning so there are times ekuti indakakura nditofunga kuti muchato chikristu ndikatozodzidziswa kuti aiwe it's white man's culture saka munoona machechi edu manje kanosina kuchata haupiwo chigaro kanosina kuchata hauzodaiso masystems echechi handiyo christianity i-white man culture zvekuchata nemaring izvi kwedu kune kuroorana chaiko chaiko kungoroorana chaiko but chechi dzedu manje dzakatora culture yevarungu dzikamixsha nechristianity ndo paane disaster because kuroora kwamunobvisa mari kwatezvara zvakatokwana kuchechi but culture yevarungu payakapinzwa kana usina kuchata upiwo chigaro saka tine maerrors edu. I'm not saying we are perfect and correct. Tine maerrors edu, we improve, we learn as we grow. Saka muchiona machechi takasiyana siyana, vamwe vakaaccepta zvimwe vamwe accepte zvimwe, but at the end we are one, but we are growing. Saka tine tichingonongedzerana kuti ava vazive ava vanoziva iyi ndo iri powerful ndo ikuzodii, but ipapo you see, saka ndokusiyana kwazvakaita.